Hello and welcome to Pleasure Wire News. Welcome to November, and I have to give a shout out to one of our members that I know has a birthday in November, Leah. Happy birthday, Leah. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it went well and that you're feeling so good stepping into this new year. So from me to you, happy birthday. And if you also have a birthday in November, leave a comment down below so I know to recognize you on your special day. We've officially been doing our 75-day reset for 2 whole weeks now. How is everybody doing? If you began the challenge when the reset started, then we're moving into the phase of creating a little bit more of a structure and a system. So how is that going for you? Leave a comment down below. Last week, we're super focused on just kind of building that consistency and that muscle memory and helping the body to feel safe again without having to overwork. And now we're focusing on building a little more structure. So share how you're doing that down below. As far as any new updates, I have added new courses to your symptoms checker course. I also added 2 additional mini courses in your Hormones 101 Basics course, teaching you about LH and FSH as part of your cycle-based hormones. I thought that these were really important to add because they do play a key role in the regularity of our cycle and helping us to understand some of those missing pieces with our ovaries and our eggs, especially if we're going through a lot of changes and transitions. So feel free to check those out and get familiar with what those hormones are, what they do, and what they mean for you. Again, everything in this mini course is super short, less than a minute, and easy to understand. For additional updates, I am now finally getting a chance to update our Hormone Reset Vault. This vault is going to be so powerful for any of you that are struggling with really getting on top of your hormones and you just don't know what to do. You're going to know the right foods and things you could do at home to help balance your hormones. So this is really big and help you to be really in tune with your body and help you to finally feel free in your body and feel relief. So I'm really excited for this vault. I've even used a lot of things in it for myself and I saw results really quickly with a lot of things, especially when it came to balancing my blood sugar and getting my testosterone levels a little more balanced. I so wish I had this a few years ago when my body was out of control and I was going through burnout. So this vault is a really big deal. Right now, I have it set for when you reach level 4, you will be able to unlock that vault. So the more that you engage, the more that you share, the more that you like, you will be able to work your way up to unlock that vault. Now, something I may introduce very soon is being able to skip over all of the unlocking. So, hey, if you're like, I don't have time to sit here and leave a bunch of comments all the time and engage, you'll be able to just unlock and have all the access to all of the vaults by unlocking the VIP tier. Be sure to vote on the poll to let me know if that's something that you would be interested in or if you think that would be a good idea. Or if you're like, hey, no, I really like being able to get access and unlock things by sharing the things that I enjoy. So totally up to you. Besides that, I'm really looking forward to seeing what November brings for us and how we're going to step into the last month of 2025. All right, that's everything I wanted to share with you inside of the Pleasure Wire. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.